Hello, friends. Welcome to a new video from Indian Talents. Let us talk about today's episode of Big Boss. Big Boss Telugu 4 is finally into the third week, and Monday episode was a nomination special episode. And today it was a special day with a special task for the luxury budget. The day started off with Monal singing Telugu rhymes as her daily task. After that, Avinash, who is currently a star in the house, was seen mimicking others and also Nagarjuna Garu. So, being the second day of this week, it was time for the luxury budget task. This time, apart from the last 2 weeks, this was a physical task and it involved two teams of humans and robots. Both the teams had few privileges and few limitations. Robots were led by Abhijit and humans were led by Noel. During the physical task, each team with its members tried to enter the other team's zone and take out the things, especially food and similar items. Initially it was all fun and enjoying, but as time passed by, Devi eventually involved in pushing the other team members, and that started a spark of fight. And as per the rule, the name of a contestant or the team member should have been mentioned before they get into the game by pushing through. So, after the small fights and pushes and physical power testing, Devi got removed as she is the robot and her charge got finished. After Devi was removed, arguments sparked between Akhil, Abhijit, and Sohel. But Abhijit maintained the space and kept it cool so that it doesn't end up in a physical fight. While the human team of Noel tried to do multiple things to divert the attention of the robots team, and they tried to cover up the cameras in their zone with their bed sheets. And Big Boss intervened and strictly warned them to not cover any cameras. Meanwhile, Abhijit and Harika were seen discussing about negotiable agreements between both the teams. Surely the robot's charge will finish during the time, and unless the humans allow them to charge in return of something, this will be a one sided game. Abhijit also mentioned that will be a fair play unless that will be just a fight, and but Noel and team stood their ground and they only want their team to win by sacrificing all the humanitarian concerns and the gentleman's law. They openly declared that they want to win and they are working hard so that they win under any circumstances, but they will not allow any chance to the other team. Meanwhile, the latest wildcard entry, Zabardast Avinash, is celebrating his birthday, and just because it's being a task, he was not allowed to celebrate with a cake or anything, but just the other team members and the housemates wished him a happy birthday. The episode ended with a fight to come in the upcoming episodes as the both the team members were planning some things which will surely cause some arguments and maybe even lead to a physical fight during the task. Let us see what will happen in the next episodes. As surely as the robots charge dry out, they will have to start fighting, and that may lead to more serious issues within the house. Thank you for watching the video. Do like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned with us for the latest updates and news about Big Boss.